Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind, ready to break free from the shackles of the office and embrace a new era of work? Well, hold on to your hats, because we are about to embark on a journey that will change how you view the workforce forever. In today's fast-paced world, the demand for remote jobs is skyrocketing. And guess what? You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree to land on your dream job. That's right. We're here to unveil 16 remote jobs you can land without experience in 2024. These jobs will kickstart your career and offer the flexibility and freedom you've been craving. From data entry wizards to social media mavens, tech titan to linguistic luminaries, there's something for everyone in the remote job market in 2024. So buckle up, because we are about to dive deep into the world of remote work and uncover the opportunities that await for you. Let's get ready to revolutionize your career and unlock a world of possibilities. This is not your average job hunt. This is your ticket to freedom, flexibility, and financial success. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we explore the 16 remote jobs you can land with zero experience in 2024. Number 1, data entry clerk. Average salary in 2024 is $37,500. Data entry clerks take information from a spreadsheet, printed document, order form, and other source and input it into another, usually digital source, often a database computer program or spreadsheet. They might also be responsible for verifying information and checking on errors. For example, a financial accountant processing company may need data entry clerks to manually input verified invoices or other bills for outside clients. Many companies will hire data entry clerks or keyers with high school diploma and no work experience on full-time, part-time, or freelance basis. Since much of the data and information that companies now process is digital, this is a common work-from-home job. Often data entry doesn't need to be done during business hours, so it can be suitable for those looking for flexible hours as well. Number 2, proofreader or copy editor. Average proofreader salary in 2024 is $51,500. Average copy editor salary in 2024 is $54,000. Proofreaders and copy editors ensure that written text is error-free. Proofreaders check documents for grammatical or style errors, incorrect formatting, or typos. Copy editors do similar work, but might also change a written piece of sentences or paragraphs to ensure accuracy and clarity. To become a proofreader or copy editor, you need a firm handle on English spelling and grammar conventions and a keen eye for details. Companies producing large amounts of written material may hire remote proofreaders or copy editors on a part or full-time basis. As a freelancer, familiarity with specific style guides or subject matter can be a bonus. Number 3, administrative virtual or executive assistant. Average administrative assistant salary in 2024 is $43,000. Average virtual assistant salary in 2024 is $46,000. Average executive assistant salary in 2024 is $63,000. Administrative assistants, sometimes called virtual assistants if the job is entirely online, might respond to emails, schedule meetings, prepare memos, maintain databases, or perform any other clerical duties an organization needs. Executive assistants are administrative assistants who work for one or more executives and might organize calendars, plan travel, and do research. Many administrative assistant roles are entry-level and can be done remotely. A high school diploma is often sufficient, but some employers might prefer a college degree. Executive assistant roles may require with more experience. Number 4, social media coordinator or manager. Average social media coordinator's salary in 2024 is $44,000. Average social media manager salary in 2024 is $56,000. Social media coordinators and managers help run organization social media accounts. Tasks might include planning and scheduling posts, creating content and responding to audience comments, and implementing social media strategies. These roles can be entry-level at smaller businesses or higher level at companies with larger marketing teams. Strong writing skills, familiarity with social media platforms, and some data analysis skills is beneficial. You don't necessarily need a bachelor's degree, but a degree in marketing or similar fields can help. Number 5, social media influencer. Average salary in 2024 is $65,000. Influencing has leveled the playing field for workers of all backgrounds. With a passion for a specific topic and a strong brand strategy, you can turn hobbies into opportunities for brand partnership or sponsorship or benefit from affiliate marketing. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube are great for vlogging, while Instagram, Twitter, Substack, and Facebook provide written or image-focused content opportunities. Building a consistent and professional online presence is key. Number 6, graphic designer. Average graphic designer salary in 2024 is $48,966. Graphic designers create visual to communicate ideas and messages. They work with words, images, or both. Designing logos, product packaging, infographic, social media images, and more. Graphic designers need creativity, artistic skills, and proficiency with design software. A strong portfolio is essential, while a bachelor's degree is common but not always required. Number 7, writers. Writers create text for a variety of purposes. Online writing jobs include technical or medical writers. Average technical writer salary for 2024 is $63,883. Average medical writer salary in 2024 is $78,511. Technical and medical writers break down complex information for brochures, instruction manuals, articles, and educational resources. They often have a degree in English, communications, or relevant subjects. Copywriters' average salary in 2024 is $53,568. Copywriters create content to sell ideas, products, or services. They write for social media posts, websites, and marketing materials. A degree in marketing, writing, or communication is often required. Content writer. Average salary in 2024 is $50,949. Content writers create longer form text to educate, inform, or increase brand awarenesses. They can work full-time, part-time, or freelance. Blogger or newsletter writer. Average blogger salary in 2024 is $40,318. Bloggers and newsletter writers can turn readers into subscribers or members and engage in affiliate marketing. This job can be a side gig or a full-time role with income potential based on the audience size. Customer service representative. Average salary in 2024 is $41,678. Customer service representative provide phone, chat, or email support to customers. They solve problems and answer questions about product or services. Some customer support jobs use email or chat, which does not require a quiet background. This role is great for those who enjoy helping people and can handle upset customers. It often requires no experience, but be cautious of roles with strict schedule and limited growth potential. Number 9, sales representative or account executive. Average sales representative salary in 2024 is $49,889. Average account executive wage in 2024 is $60,157. Sales representative and account executives sell products and services. They may contact potential customers and follow up on leads and close deals. This role is ideal for those who want to interact with people daily. A bachelor's degree isn't usually necessary, but a strong communication and persuasive skills are essential. Be wary of positions requiring upfront payment or product or recruitment of other salespeople. Number 10, software engineer. Average salary in 2024 is $90,900. Software engineers create computer programs, websites, and systems using coding languages. They troubleshoot and solve problems to ensure that their code works correctly. This role requires coding skills and often collaborates with a team. You can learn to code through a computer science degree, coding boot camp, or self-teaching. A strong portfolio and the ability to ace technical interviews are crucial. Number 11, English teacher. Average salary in 2024 is $50,073. Online English teachers instruct students from non-English speaking countries. They often need a teaching certification and a TESOL or TEFL certificate. Some companies may only require native level fluency in English and a bachelor's degree. Number 12, tutor. Average salary in 2024 is $40,887. Tutors help students with assignments, test prep, and new learning tools. They can work via an online company or start their own business. Certification may be required, but this role is excellent for those passionate about teaching. Number 13, community manager. Average salary in 2024 is $56,468. Community managers moderate and organize online communities for brand or organizations. They answer questions, moderate discussions, and manage group memberships. This role suits extroverts who enjoy online communications. No prior experience or degree is needed, but familiarity with social media and strong written communication skills are beneficial. Number 14, translator. Average salary in 2024 is $53,102. Translators convert written text from one language to the next. They work in a field like law, marketing, healthcare, and education. Fluency in multiple languages and knowledge of cultural norms are essentials. While formal certificates can help, a strong command of languages and relevant subject matter expertise are crucial. Number 15, project manager. Average salary in 2024 is $78,591. Project managers oversee projects to increase efficiency and productivity. They need strong organizational, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. Entry-level roles may require minimal experience or certification, such as PMP, Project Management Professional. Online courses can also provide valuable skills for managing projects remotely. Number 16, video or photo editor. Average video editor salary in 2024 is $52,000. Average photo editor salary in 2024 is $63,705. Video and photo editors use editing software to create and enhance visuals. They need hands-on experience with tools like Adobe Creative Suite and strong understanding of visual storytelling. While a degree in film photography or related fields can be helpful, many employers prioritize a strong portfolio showcasing your skills. The remote job market is brimming with opportunities. Many don't require extensive experience or specialized degrees. By leveraging your existing skills and being open to learning new ones, you can carve out a successful career while enjoying the flexibility and freedom of working at home. Whether you are looking to start a new career path, make side income, or find a job that offers better work and life balance, there's something here for you. Ready to leap into the world of remote work? Subscribe to my channel for more insights and tips on how landing on your dream remote job. Hit the like button if you had found this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with anyone who might benefit from the fantastic opportunities. The future of work is remote, and it's time for you to seize the opportunity that is placed before you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.